How to make CV in Google Docs. It's very easy. Okay, let's analyze first the thing we can do in Google Docs. As you can see right now, there is one column and there's also one column, and all of that is really one row. So one row with two columns, and there's still one row and two columns. Maybe we're gonna merge this all. It's also possible. And then later on, there's also one column, one row in here, and there's one column. So it's very easy. And down in here, there's upper border and down border, and then writing down everything simply. So we can make a CV with the cover letter and everything very, very, very professionally. And also there's a table. So you can make like this table, which is an easy task for you. Okay, let's create it. I'm gonna open my first blank document in here, and I'm gonna call it CV. Okay, hit enter. So first let's create we're gonna create a table with two things. Okay, so there should be a picture and there should be your name. You can create separate table, or you can just have it in one. I'm gonna do it with separated. So let's do that in here. I'm gonna copy and paste that name, okay, because of not wasting the time. So as you can see, this one has already a somehow a underline, okay, has an underline with itself, and we don't want to have it like that underline. Okay, you can see right there it's a different underline. How you can do that and how you can delete that. Let's delete it first, because we don't know how the person really created. Okay, let's create that as very 01. I'm gonna copy. Okay, and then this should be a little bit bigger, and this one also should be a little bit bigger. So we're gonna create a new modern version. I'm gonna copy the picture. Oops. So this picture is not working. I'm gonna insert a picture from my PC. Let's see, where is it? I think it's in here. Let's put it in here. Oh, oops, this is not cropped. So we want to crop. We want a really nice circle picture. So we're gonna create, and then we're gonna go to the insert image, upload from computer, and it should be here. Oh my god. And I had one. So where are you? Okay. So, yeah, this one is nicer. So we already have one. And so we're gonna just, so we don't need to resize that. So right now you can see there's a line. So we can do that as a line. And I'm gonna put it down in here. And make this color. And also border width should be this much. No, not that much, too much. We're gonna go with 4.5, or let's go with 3 pt. So there you go. And the rest should not have any border, and they should be white, which I'm gonna do that right now. Yeah, 0 and 0 and 0 and also white. Okay, it's white, not 0. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so we are on our halfway to create it. Okay, we can see right now that we did a good job, really a good job of it. I can also move it like this way. Yeah, so this one even it looks even better than this. As you can see it's a little bit down, so that's fine. We could also make this upper a little bit, so don't worry about it. So that's amazing thing. We're gonna create the next part. this part. So it's very easy. Again, we're gonna go to have one in here. Yeah, and we're gonna click on it, table properties, and white. Yeah, so you can see right now it's very easy. And I can go right now down in here and copy these things and go to table. Yeah, so we have that line there. Okay, I'm gonna just do that. Okay. We're gonna colorize it. We're gonna also colorize this one. Okay. And then you can put lots of logos in here, okay? As much as you want it. So it depends on your logos and your pictures. So I'm gonna right now go to table properties. Yeah, so right now we created half of our things and half of our projects, and I hope you enjoy almost every part of it. And let's create the next part that we wanted in here. Okay, so you can see right now it's very beautiful. The cover letter is very beautiful, and I can put also many of my Facebook, all the social media group as well in here, down in here. So it makes even really beautiful and nicer. For example, you can add a lot of it. So let's do it. Let's do that of it. I'm gonna create this Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. And then down here should be like that. Okay. So this is the icon. This is the icon part. Okay. And in here you can insert Facebook icon. So let's go ahead with insert. Search the web. We're gonna say Facebook. Facebook logo. So we are up to this Facebook logo. Could be, yeah. Please be careful with these your choice in selection, because they should be should have similar color, and they should be good. And we want Instagram, not that's oops. Yeah, Instagram logo. And then down in here, okay, this one I should delete it. I'm gonna go and create search the web, and here Facebook, because that was really dark. And let's choose this one. It's a little bit nicer. Yeah, this one looks nice. And in here, I'm gonna add a YouTube, for example. YouTube. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this one is YouTube, for example. We're gonna insert it. So right now you can work with them a little bit to resize them. And select all of them and move them to the center. And right now you can put your name, for example. Your username. Yeah, and then go to here. and add space before paragraph. I can copy this and I can come in here, table properties. There you go. So I made all of that in here, and it was very easy for me, and I did it really that. So that was easy. Let's go to the next page. As you can see, I could also copy and paste these things, and page number 1 and 2. So I can add a page number to this. Click in here, and options. So in here says page number. So I'm gonna add page number. Show first page number. Yeah. So let's create apply. So this is, yeah, page number 1. We're gonna just move it to the center. Page number 1 of maybe total pages already 3. So page number 1, 2, this could be 3. All right, so we made it. Let's go ahead and create the next part. The next part is there's one row and one row. Always a row. So we're gonna create one row first and for now. And we're gonna just make that really to not show up. Make it white. Okay, now make this a little bit grand. This one is nicer. Okay. So it's education. Oops. So education should be like that. Into the center. Now you can play around with them and to make it a little bit 3pt is good. Should not go. Yeah. And right now I'm gonna copy and paste all of that, okay? In case of saving time. Okay, got it. And paste it. Let's continue our journey. So I'm not gonna play around with this. So let's see. It has a grammar problem, no problem. So we're gonna just make this bold. And make also this bold. And also make this one bold. So make this one bold. So there you go. We made it right now. We made it our halfway to this. So I can repeat and copy paste and all of that. So you can see right now. And I can hit tab and I can go with the experience. Which I'm going to do right now. Experience. And we're going to paste it. And we're going to copy and paste. Oops, all is bold, so don't be bold. Okay. And we're gonna just do this. Okay, so this one is another. And we can go to another and type all of that information. Yeah, I can delete this, of course, anytime. There you go. And finally, the one thing that should be made is this table. Again, we have a scale. I can type it as scale. Yeah, I can type it as scale, but let's not worry about this one right now. Let's just create it, copy and paste, and that can help us really. I'm gonna copy and paste this one. And oops. So let's go ahead with the insert. And to make it all to Sorry that this video is taking you longer, but that's not about learning. Learning takes time. Yeah, and 6 PT. No word, 3 is better. Yeah. So I'm gonna just copy scale to the center. And then I'm gonna just type another. So this would be special scale. Okay. And right now, let me just copy paste this one in here. So I'm gonna make this white. Make this white again. Okay. Right down here, I can insert like this table so it looks amazing and it looks fine. So we're gonna go in here. So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 column with how much row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 5. So it's very easy. 5 over 5. So this is it. And I can make this one background color. So let's go background with like gray. There you go. Gray. So it's very easy. I think you can do the rest. And I can copy this as well. Paste it. Yeah. I can make this, I can remove this, or I can click in here, delete row. There you go. So we made it. Hooray! That's all about it. And let's take a look at this. So we made it right down here. We made it this one, this one, this one, this one. Now this is not a perfect looking CV or something ideal to everyone, but you got the idea of table. Okay, right now you can use table everywhere and to create amazing things. That's a part of thing you can do with table. Okay, see you another project.